Do you have some sentimental items that you would love to turn into some precious keepsakes? We'd love for you to join our Preserve Your Memories class on January 29th at 8:30 p.m. The class is free and we also have kits available for purchase. Let's see what's in the kit. We chose specific flowers and plants for you that are naturally pressed, a stay put mat, a wood plaque that you'll be filling in with red glitter and whatever you'd like to preserve, complete with a stand. We have a mini silicone cup. We also have 3 different formulas. We have the original formula, the white color burst, and the blue-green color burst. We have some foil flakes, a micro brush, and we also have 3 deep dish bezels, a fun cat paw keychain, an angel wing necklace, an I Love Dad keychain, a floral bracelet, and an I Love Mom keychain, a piece of lace, a beautiful angel wing piece that we'll be doing a beach landscape on, a dog bone dog tag, a love necklace, 2 little seashells, and some sand from Florida for our beach bottle that we're going to be making. We have some opal flakes and some color shifting glitter. We also have some sand colored glitter and some holographic red glitter. These 2 are custom molds. We have a cat and dog paw, and we also have a worry stone mold. And last but not least, a silicone brush. So now's the time to start gathering all of your sentimental things that you want to learn how to preserve and save them for January 29th, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So secure your kits now because they're not going to last. Make sure you sign up for the class and we hope to see you there.